When you search for auto batteries, everything looks the exact same. Same claims, same images, same features. But to find the ones that truly deliver on performance and reliability, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Energizer 4LR44 battery. First up, we have the Energizer 4LR444/A544 battery. Priced at $9.95, this little guy caught my eye because it's built for reliability, especially in gadgets like cameras and gaming controllers. If you want dependable power for your devices, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Energizer 4LR444 batteries are designed to deliver long-lasting power with a capacity of 1,200 milliamp hours. That means you won't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries in your camera or gaming controller. Plus, it can hold its charge for up to 3 years in storage, so it's ready when you need it. In the past month alone, over 400 of these have been bought, which speaks to its popularity. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit higher than generic options, but here's the thing, you're paying for quality and peace of mind. For devices that matter, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you need batteries for high-drain devices, like cameras or game controllers. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option for low-use gadgets. But honestly, the value is there for reliable performance.
Product number 2, Cochier 6V Alkaline Battery Pack. Next, let's talk about the Cochier 5-count 4LR44 battery pack, retailing at just $4.99. What caught my attention about this pack is its affordability and versatility, especially for devices like dog collars and cameras. If you're looking for an economical way to keep your gadgets powered, this is a solid option. These 6V alkaline batteries are mercury-free and designed to work with a variety of devices, including dog training collars and cameras. Each battery is sealed on a card to prevent them from draining while stored, which is a thoughtful touch. Given that more than 300 of these packs have been sold recently, it shows they're well received by pet owners and photographers alike. However, some users mentioned that they didn't last as long as premium brands. But here's the thing, if you're using them in low-drain devices or as backups, this won't be a deal breaker. For everyday use, they get the job done without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you have several devices that need occasional battery replacements. Skip this if you need high-performance batteries for demanding gadgets.
Product number 3, Yuchen 6-volt alkaline battery. Now, let's move on to the Yuchen 5-count 6-volt alkaline battery, also priced at $4.99. This pack stands out because of its high-capacity technology, which means you get more power for your devices. If you want batteries that deliver reliable performance, you should definitely consider these. The Yuchen batteries provide a stable 6-volt output, making them suitable for everything from digital cameras to emergency alarms. They boast a high-capacity design that allows for 30% more energy than standard batteries, so you're getting longer usage without the frequent replacements. And with over 200 packs sold recently, they have caught the attention of many buyers. Now, I did see some complaints about availability issues, with some users struggling to find them in stock. But honestly, if you can get your hands on them, they offer great performance for the price. This is a great pick if you need batteries for a variety of devices that require consistent power. Skip this if you're looking for something specifically for high-drain gadgets, like professional cameras.
Product number 4, Everready 1209 Lantern Battery. Next, we have the Everready 1209 6-volt super heavy-duty lantern battery, priced at $17.16. This caught my eye for its durability and performance, especially for safety devices like smoke detectors. If you want something that's built to last, this might be your best bet. With a chemical system that includes no added mercury or cadmium, the Everready battery is designed to operate in temperatures from 0 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. This means it's reliable in various conditions. The average weight of 21.2 ounces gives it a solid feel, and knowing that it's designed for safety devices is a big plus. It's sold over 100 times in the last month, which shows people trust it. However, some users reported that it can be harder to find in stores. But here's the thing. When it comes to safety, it's worth a little extra effort to locate a reliable battery. This is perfect for you if you need a battery for safety devices like smoke detectors.
Skip this if you're just looking for batteries for everyday gadgets.
Product number 5, Interstate Batteries 6V HD Battery. Lastly, let's talk about the Interstate Batteries 6V HD Lantern Battery, which comes in a 6-pack for $36.99. I was impressed by the brand's reputation for dependability and quality. If you're looking for a long-lasting power source for outdoor devices, this is definitely something to check out. These batteries are designed for heavy-duty applications, ideal for camping devices, lanterns, and flashlights. With a capacity of 7,000 milliamp hours, they can handle prolonged use without faltering. Interstate batteries have a strong reputation, and the 12-month performance warranty backs this product, providing peace of mind. They've sold over 50 packs recently, indicating they're trusted in the market. Now, on the downside, some users mentioned they're not rechargeable, so if you're looking for a green option, this might not be the best fit. But honestly, for camping and outdoor use, having a reliable battery that lasts is more important. This is perfect for you if you need batteries for outdoor activities and devices. Skip this if you're looking for rechargeable options.
To wrap it up, we've covered a range of options, from the Energizer 4LR44 for reliable everyday use, to the Interstate Batteries 6V for heavy-duty outdoor needs. Each has its strengths, so choose based on what fits your lifestyle. No matter which you go for, you'll be getting quality power to keep your devices running.